My name is Jennifer Hyde, and today I'm here to show you how to make a recipe for a vinegar conditioner using water, apple cider vinegar, and essential oils. We're going to put these ingredients together and show you how to mix them, what ratios to use, and then how to put them in the hair to make the hair very fresh after you have done your cleansing. So now let's put this together. You have a pitcher of hot water. I like to use just a regular household pitcher that maybe holds anywhere from a half a gallon to a gallon of nice warm water. We're going to mix apple cider vinegar into our water mixture, and you can use anywhere from about 2 to 4 ounces, but you don't want to use much more than that because otherwise the vinegar will be a little bit too strong smelling, and a lot of people don't care for that part of it. We've mixed our vinegar into this water, and now we're going to add just a little bit of essential oils, mostly for fragrance, but keep in mind a little bit of this will also be residual and stay in the hair even after this mixture gets rinsed. So now we have our mixture of hot water, essential oils, and apple cider vinegar. The apple cider vinegar works well in this mixture because it helps to close down the cuticle after the cleansing process. A lot of times cleansers can actually open the cuticle and be a little bit of an alkaline solution. It's always nice to shut the cuticle back down after the cleansing process with some sort of a conditioner that has a much lower pH. That's where your vinegar comes in, mixed with the water. You can add essential oils for fragrance. This is a wonderful way to close the cuticle down and have very shiny, wonderful hair and refresh your locks.